Children, now we are starting our physics first class. Okay. Now, up to 7th class, you might have studied science as only one subject. Okay. Now, as you enter into the higher section, science is divided into two parts. Okay. One stream is physical science and the other is biological science. Okay. First of all, we will discuss what is science. You learned science up to the 7th class. So far you may have different knowledges. Okay. Now we will discuss what is science. What is science? The intellectual, practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical natural world through observation and experiment. Okay. Let us understand the meaning. What is science means? We are understanding the intellectuality, means the knowledge, practical activity, knowledge and practical activity which is having the systematic study of structure and behavior of physical and natural world. Means we are trying to understand the physical and natural world which is around us with our observations and experiment. Okay, with our observation and experiment. Science means we are trying to understand the world which is around us. Okay, with the experiments and observation. Okay, now we are having one full form of science. Science means systematic, comprehensive investigation and exploration of natural causes and effects. Science full form is systematic, comprehensive investigation and exploration of natural causes and effects. And do you know who is father of science? Any idea? Galileo Galilei. Okay, Galileo Galilei is the father of science. Now, as I told before, science divided into two parts, that is physical science and biological science. Now, I will explain about physical science. Okay, physical science means it includes of two subjects. Okay, it includes of two subjects. One is physics and the other is chemistry. Okay, one is physics and the other is chemistry. Now, we will understand what is physics. What is physics? Physics means, as I already told you, it is a branch of science. It is a science related to the non-living things and study of property of materials. You might have know a little knowledge about biological science. Means we will say about living things. Is it? Living things means just like human being, animals, plants. That is belongs to biological science. Now, physical science means it will tell about the non-living things. It will tell about the non-living things and study of property of materials. And study of property of materials. Examples of physics are study of earth, sky, heat, light, electricity, etc. It means you would have various aspects around you. Okay, you might have various aspects around you. For example, how we are able to stand on the earth. Okay, when you throw an apple or any object, not only apple, any object, when you throw up, how it is coming back only. How sunlight is reaching to the earth. How sun is burning continuously. Such kind of examples, all related streams, and how we are getting electricity. You might have known we have so many electronic gadgets. Okay, light, fan, TV, geyser, etc. How do they work? All these learning will be based on the physics. Okay, all these knowledge you will learn in the concept of physics. Okay, and the second stream is chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry means a science which deals with the properties, compositions and structure of a substance. Okay, a science, it is also a stream of science only. A science which deals with the properties, compositions and structure of a substance. Substance means any object, any matter. Okay, for example, if you take salt, salt is a substance. Soap is a substance. Not only these two, for example, if you take this pen is a substance, chair is a substance. All these are made up of, all these are considered as a substance only. Okay, they will have properties, compositions and structures. Okay, about which deals with the properties, compositions and structure of a substance. Now we will have examples of chemistry. Okay, in which aspect we will deal about the chemistry. It means, for example, respiratory system. Usually respiration is very familiar for us, and of course without respiration we can't alive, is it? So during respiration, what we breathe in? Oxygen, is it? And what we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. In between, how oxygen is turning into carbon dioxide? That process will come under chemistry. Okay, turning of oxygen into carbon dioxide is a chemical reaction. Okay, so that's why respiration is a chemical reaction. Not only that, preparation of soaps, cosmetics and preparation of medicine. Okay, medicine, cosmetics, like that, so many things are dealt with the chemistry. Okay, so many things are deal with the chemistry. This is about the definition of science, physics as well as chemistry. With this, the introduction section for the science is finished. Okay, thank you. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the basics of the rest science. Thank you.